In Ghana here, we're really excited to be a part of this journey, embarking on projects that can help us make the cement industry a lot greener.
Cement is a vital input in generating economic growth and creating the jobs needed to combat poverty in developing countries. But the production of cement is also one of the largest emitters of greenhouse gases. Most of the emissions come from producing clinker, the main ingredient in cement. But with new technology developed by FLSmidth, clinker can be substituted with calcined clay. In Ghana, Norfund and IFU have co-invested with CBI and FLSmidth to install the world's largest calcined clay facility, reducing the emissions from the cement production by up to 20%.
The main base of cement is clinker, which is in Ghana not available and therefore imported from foreign countries at a very expensive cost.
We're able to substitute 30% of the clinker that we currently use in making cement with locally produced calcined clay.
Calcined clay is going to be produced out of clay, sourced in Ghana, locally 100 kilometers from the plant we are currently operating. This is a widely available resource.
We're excited to be a part of writing a new chapter in the production of cement. This time it's trying to make it with a consciousness for the environment and trying to do something that can benefit generations. The most obvious benefit is the construction that's going to take place over the next couple of years. There are hundreds of jobs that are being created, but that's just the beginning.
We decided to go with a bigger plant than only our need, because we are trying to push the industry to change. Construction has already started. We have one plant with a grinding station. We will have a second grinding station and the flash calciner located in the same area.
There is a need for increased infrastructure in Ghana. By expanding our production capacity, we are also meeting this increasing demand for cement as a construction material.
I was born and raised right here in Ghana, and being a part of the largest calcined clay project, the flash calciner in the world, it's that CO2, that big number that we anticipate reducing our footprint by, that really excites and motivates us all on this journey.